Abjure. A-B-J-U-R-E. Abjure. A-B-J-U-R-E. Abjure. Hello friends, today I have brought a new word for you guys, which is abjure. A-B-J-U-R-E. Again, A-B-J-U-R-E. Abjure. And its synonyms: forsake, renounce, retract, revoke. And forsake is used in transitive verb and its Hindi meaning त्यागना. And renounce is used in verb खोना and also used in transitive verb, its Hindi meaning त्यागना. And retract is also used in verb and revoke is also used in verb. And its antonyms: approve, sanction, patronize, adopt. And approve, it is also used in verb and its Hindi meaning अनुमोदित करना, स्वीकृत देना, पसंद करना. And sanction, it is used in verb and its Hindi meaning स्वीकृत देना, मंजूर करना. And it's also used in noun, its Hindi meaning दंड, स्वीकृत, मंजूरी and स्वीकृत, same meaning. Patronize, it is used in verb and its Hindi meaning संरक्षण देना, नियमित ग्राहक होना, कृपा दिखाना. And adopt is also used in verb and its Hindi meaning चुनना, स्वीकार करना, अंगीकार करना, ग्रहण करना. All meaning same in antonyms. And sentence: फिल्म करुणा के मूल को कायम रखती है और प्रतिशोध के सभी रूपों को त्याग देती है. The film upholds the value of compassion and abjures all forms of retribution. कायम रखना means uphold and compassion, it is also used in noun and its Hindi meaning दया, अनुकंपा and सहानुभूति. And next, thus he proceeded to pressure several priests and bishops into abjuring their positions. बिशपों की हिंदी अर्थ होता है दूरवर्ती प्रांतों के राज्यपाल या गिरजे का धर्माधिकारी, राइट. एंड नेक्स्ट, अतिथि ने शांतिपूर्वक संघर्ष विराम की शपथ लेने के लिए सहमति व्यक्त की और प्रतीकात्मक रूप से सभी प्रतिशोध को त्याग दिया. अगेन, अतिथि ने शांतिपूर्वक संघर्ष विराम की शपथ लेने के लिए सहमत व्यक्त की और प्रतीकात्मक रूप से सभी प्रतिशोध को त्याग दिया. शांतिपूर्वक मीन्स tacitly and प्रतीकात्मक मीन्स symbolically, right. And truce means युद्ध विराम and its English sentence: the guest agreed tacitly to take an oath of truce and symbolically abjured all vengeance, right. Again, the guest agreed tacitly to take an oath of truce and symbolically abjured all vengeance. Thank you guys. Bye bye.